Palantir has been dealing with criticisms that it helped design the immigration OS for the US Department for Immigration, Customs and Enforcement. But at the same time, as well, it also announced or rather disclosed that NATO has adopted its AI systems for its defense operations, pointing out that NATO is going ahead to digitize its military efforts. And they went on to say that the adoption highlights confidence in its AI capabilities at a time when geopolitical tensions have raised their scrutiny over U.S. defense technology providers. Yeah, this is what's a snapshot of what happened yesterday. If you like, quite divergent. One was critical, one was um, positive. Let's see now what's going on. Up 5.36% in the regular session of today, the pre-market session of today, the 23rd of April. So we have all our projections, all our upper projections have all printed through. We had earlier on 85.75 since printed, 89.30 printed, 92.78 printed. Next target is 110.33. Those are projections. This is its daily chart. So the underlying trend is still a bullish one for Palantir, unlike all the other stocks, all the other prominent stocks, all the other popular stocks. All of them, all the other ones have bearish underlying trends. But Palantir is still trading above all of its moving averages, holding the gains that it picked up from the rally of the 9th of April. So here we have a couple of projections here. Some of them, yeah, okay. It seems our own projection of 110.33 is quite an ambitious one, but maybe not really as such. So here on the trading on this daily chart, we have projections of first of all downward projections 43.1, 47.13, 54.7, 66.99, and then yeah, 89.72 upper projections. Okay, this is the downward projection now because it's currently trading at 90. What? Let's see. Currently trading at 98, $99. So that's this 98 is 98.74 is a downward projection now. So upper projections is the only one left 104.30. However, this is its daily chart. Before we move on to the before we move on to the 4-hour chart, here we can see that it's expected to hold some of the strength it has at the moment, but a decline might set in by Tuesday the 29th and might continue up till Friday the 23rd of May and then may stabilize thereafter. So as things stand right now, the extrapolation is not for more strength on this daily chart. However, we can quickly see what is projected on the 4-hour chart. Let's see what's going on here on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, strength is extrapolated, or rather projected up till let's see, up till Friday the second of May. Yeah, not really, not a very steep angle of attack. Yeah, you can see the momentum is not showing anything really bullish. Let's see now. Upper projections. Do we have any? 98.7. Not an upper projection now. 400.41. That's what we have. Indeed, there are even higher projections that were in play. They were in place last week. We have 107.33, 102.44. Yeah, let's see now. Let's see what's going on down here. We can come all the way down to the 1 week chart and see if there's anything here for Palantir. Let's see now. We have a couple of bullish projections. The downward projection, first of all, 90.79. Upper projection, 126.97, 151.25, 166.25. So let's see this all-time high. Okay, 120.09. Yeah. So the weekly chart is that's where some positivity is. That's where some optimism is. So yeah, Palantir on the move showing some strength in this pre-market session. dealing with some positive news and some criticism at the same time as well. So all our projections have printed, but there are other projections as well. There are other projections. They go all the way, especially when it's a weekly chart, all the way towards 266, isn't it? 266. Yeah, all the way towards no 166.25. Yeah, have a look and see what you make of Palantir stock. I think in the medium term, is in the medium term. Well, in the medium term, the projections are strong, are bullish. Yeah, in the medium term, projections are bullish, and well, in the medium term, they're not really bullish. The projections are very quite neutral, not bullish. The projections are neutral because we're going by the extrapolation of its moving averages. There, it's a neutral one. It's neutral to bearish in the short term. In the medium term, I really can't see anything there. Really can't see much. In the medium term, I really can't see much. I really can't say because I have projections all the way towards 166. Then that means it's that that would mean that would not. I wouldn't conclude that that's the outlook as such. I wouldn't conclude that will be the outlook. There isn't any projection. We here for some reason it's not. We don't have any projection on this for the weekly chart to indicate what the outlook is. What the outlook is could possibly be. I think Palantir really hasn't been trading for a very long time. Not that long of a time. Maybe there isn't probably enough data to do the extrapolation of its weekly chart. So see what you make of the stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.